straight it out like this.
So keep it straight, honey. This is going to be just like at the hospital.
It's just a little tip, you know. It's not going all the way down. It's just like a prick, like a little mosquito bite.
Mosquito?
Straight it out. Let me do it because I mean we need to do it.
It's going to be...
And if you move, it's not
Honey,
coming out.
honey.
Whoa, what
Don't
happened? Let
be-
me think something.
You want to lay down? You want to lay down?
Lay down?
She's saying maybe you'll be more relaxed. Why don't the lady at the hospital, they drew it from her hand. She said it didn't hurt as much.
Oh, no, let me see.
Okay, that's not...
Okay, so but don't move.
Honey, yeah,
That
don't,
can
but
hurt
you can't move,
Can I
don't,
sit like that?
yes.
Yeah.
But don't move your arm when she's doing that because then you're gonna make it could hurt
Whoa.
it could injure you.
Really?
Yes.
Oh,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Let me say something.
Go ahead. Well, honey, you gotta relax your arm, honey.
Just relax.
Whoa, do you see the...
That's how it's supposed to look. All right, let's not be too dramatic now. Okay, let's go ahead and do the needle stick real quick, honey, because I know it's gonna hurt a little bit, but if you act all dramatic, you're gonna make it hurt worse.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh my
Calm
God.
down.
Put your arm over there. Don't touch my hand.
Okay, let me...
Don't, honey. Stop,
You see,
stop,
she
calm
bends her
down.
arm. I can't
I know,
do it,
don't
you know?
bend your arm. You're not listening, honey. Did you get a stick or no?
No, gee, I cannot see it. You know, and
Okay.
just straight it out. You see, I stick you and no, we didn't.
Honey,
do it.
you gotta calm, okay? She didn't get a good stick on you, okay? So let's calm down. The other thing is that don't wail.
Hello, Tatiana. Yeah, I'm drawing some blood right now. Sorry. No, I'm drawing some blood right now.
No, she's not giving you another tetanus shot. She's just drawing blood. I know, she's just drawing blood.
Not yet.
Yeah, go ahead, sir. Calm down, honey. You got a stick. That's it. It's over. See that you just relax your arm. You don't.
Yeah, Andrea is the best. She's better
Oh
than
yeah.
me.
I believe it.
She's better than me in drawing blood.
I
Tell
believe
you
it.
that.
They had an insufficient
The last time, yeah,
draw.
I said it's
last
not
time.
enough, so I just need to be sure we got it all. Until the truth doesn't give us more.
Yeah, let's go. You can go for lunch after
I'm
this.
going now, yeah.
Then my fucking
Oh,
go
did you?
1:30. Julie can call one more time.
And that's it?
That's it.
Yeah.
That's
We'll
all
take
she needs.
care of these. Next week it should be ready.
All
Okay,
right,
thank
take
you,
care,
Dr.
honey.
Driver. Take it easy. Be safe. We're done, honey. That's it. We're done. That's all it is.
Sorry. Yes.
Go ahead and lie down. What is this? Julie, really?
I told her